As per our ongoing mask organization cost expectation, the worth of mask organization will expanded by 264.06%, coming to $13.88 by end of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling sort of is negative, while the trepidation and veracity file especially is perusing 15.87, and that implies intense apprehension. Our mask organization figure, it's dangerous to sell mask organization at this moment. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative feeling among mask organization cost expectations. See the specific mask organization cost expectation underneath. You will realize the amount mask organization sort of is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they thought. Over the very most recent 30 days, mask organization has truly diminished by 3.37%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of June, the worth of mask organization expanded by 112.97% and came to approach around $8.12. At present, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and eagerness file shows 15.87 intense feelings of dread. As per our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to basically sell mask organization, which most certainly is very huge. At present, mask organization is exchanging underneath the 200 by and large basic moving normal, which is genuinely critical. For the fundamentally most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA really has shown a mask organization selling certainly signal in an unpretentious manner. The cost of mask organization basically is presently running beneath the 50-day pretty straightforward moving normal. SMA, and it in every way that really matters, shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $3.95 toward the finish of December, which is genuinely critical. By December 2023-2024, Mask Network's fundamentally transient 50-day SMA in a real sense shows a $4.04 in a truly significant manner. The especially relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator in a real sense, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money in every way that really matters is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70. RSI especially is right now at Ercivalu. This shows that the mask market is in an unbiased position, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Mask organization, mask value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, mask organization came to $3.51. When it dipped under $2.03 interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, mask organization is headed to passing the $8.30 mark before the current year's over. Before $8.30, it might break its characteristic of $97.92 in reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, mask organization will truly break its past all-time especially high of $97.92 and hold somewhere in the range of $8.09 and $8.30 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, mask organization for the most part is exchanging at $3.81, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 175.68 M, and it makes number 98 cash in the in every practical sense entire crypto world. In a significant manner, mask organization value forecast 2024. There is plausible that mask organization can get through the $9.80 boundary and basically hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The sort of the least mask organization cost will be between $8.18 to $9.80, and the most probable mask organization cost will be consistent at around $9.08 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Mask Network's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth antagonistic energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that mask organization will reach $9.80 toward the finish of 2024, or kind of mid-2024. Mask Organization Value Forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists fundamentally anticipate that Mask will begin the year at $11.23 and exchange around $13.88. As indicated by their expectations, this would be incredibly kind of high contrasted with absolute last year, which is very critical. This, in every practical sense, is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. In an unobtrusive manner, Mask Organization Value Expectation 2026 there in a real sense is a by and large great possibility that Mask Organization 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it especially is likewise conceivable that it may not in a real sense arrive at its normal really most extreme $17.34 level. Mask Organization is truly anticipated to sort of arrive at an unequaled essentially high of $16.53 or $17.34 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Mask Organization, in a by and large significant manner. Mask Organization Value Expectation 2027 Mask Organization Value Forecast, or Mask, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly in every practical sense accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap, which really is very critical. Mask Network's cost truly is supposed to outperform $17.34 in 2027. It truly has been anticipated that Mask Organization will arrive at the greatest cost of $17.34, and the sort of least cost in a real sense is supposed to be around $14.67 in the following a long time from 2027. Mask Organization Gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists really foresee explicitly say that Mask Organization Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Mask Organization, is supposed to cross a value level of $20.03 in 2028, which is very huge. In the interim, Mask Organization is supposed to, for the most part, arrive at least cost of $18.10 this year. The most extreme cost may by and large reach $20.82. Mask Organization, Mask Value Forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Mask Organization Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Mask Organization will reach $27.91. And the cost of Mask ought to reach $27.91 before the year's over, or so they thought. Likewise, Mask can by and large reach up to $25.72 in value, which is genuinely huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Mask Organization development, which generally is very huge. Mask Value Expectation 2030 of every 2030, Mask Organization